Happy Monday morning. I just love Monday morning. So I went away to the beach this weekend and I want to show you how I've been earning Ethereum daily while I was at the beach. So I'm going to show you first my Telegram. So on my Telegram, I've got a couple of robots that notify me when I receive money into my wallet. So basically when I earn money. Now I'm not going to look at today. As you can see, I started today off 4.85 in this one plus a 0.09. But what I want to look at is what I earned at the weekend when I was away. So if you could see there, it says the 26th of July. So that's obviously Sunday. So I'm going to come up to the top of the 25th. Now we're coming on to the 25th. Okay, so go up to the top of the 25th. So here we are, the 25th, okay, at the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the payments now. So I've got a 0.01 is that payment there. Then there's another payment, 0.01. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come down to this one, a 0.09 plus. Then we've got a 5.05 plus. Then we've got a 3.29 plus. There's some fractions on the end. I'm not going to bother with that. Then we've got a 1.72. Okay, plus that. Coming down a little bit further, we've got a 0.1 plus. Come down a little bit further, another 0.1 plus that. Another one here, 0.01 for that one. Come down, there's a 0.03 plus that. Come down, this one here, 0.01 plus that. Then we've got a 0.3 plus that one. Come down a little bit further, 0.01 plus that. Moving down, 0.01 plus. So that's 10 Ethereum on that robot. So let's have a look at the other one. So again, I'm not going to look at today, okay? I want to look at what I got over the weekend. So we're on the 26th, you see there. So if I could scroll all the way up to the beginning of the 25th. Now we're on the 25th. So here's the start of the 25th. So we got this first payment, which is 0.05 plus that. Then this one is a 0.1 plus that. Coming down a little bit further, another 0.1 plus. Coming here, a 3.2 plus. This is Ethereum I've got paid, okay? So coming down, my sponsor's done great over this weekend. From me, 0.025, a small one there. Another small one, 0.025. And as Tesco say, every little helps. Coming down a bit further, we got a 0.05 plus another 0.05 plus. Moving down, we got a 0.1 plus a 0.025 plus. Down a little bit further, there's another 0.025 plus. Come down, keep coming down, 0.05 plus, another 0.05 plus, down a little bit further, a 0.2 plus, a 0.4 plus, coming down, a 0.8 plus. What's this one here? This is a 0.025 plus, a little bit further, 0.025 plus, coming down even further, a 1.6 plus, coming down a little bit further, a 0.1 plus, then a 0.025 plus, another 0.25, 0.025 plus, and that's it. Okay, so I'm going to 17, nearly 18 Ethereum. So copy that, and I'm going to go over to Google, and I've got Ethereum to US dollars. So I'm going to pop that in there. That's $5,774. for Saturday and Sunday while I was away at the beach. Okay, let's see what that is in the Great British Pounds. Paste that number into there. That's £4,495. Okay, if you're in the UK for the Saturday and the Sunday, and if you're in Europe, maybe in sunny Italy or Spain or something like that, that's €4,932 for Saturday and Sunday. Now, if you want to get that sort of income coming into your wallet while you're sitting on the beach or maybe watching a football game, or you're just sitting at home enjoying yourself, but you're not in front of your computer and you want to earn Ethereum daily, I've got 2 income streams for you. Okay, leave a comment below this video or above it, wherever it is, whether it's on YouTube or Facebook. Okay, and myself or Barbara will send you the details. Okay, and the 2 income streams. The very first one we've got for you is totally 100% passive. You don't have to do any recruiting if you don't want to. Obviously, if you do, you'll earn more and you'll earn much quicker. The second one, again, is Earn Ethereum Daily, and that's just mind-blowing. It really is the potential what you can earn with both of these programs. So if you want to know how to earn that sort of money, like I've done over the weekend, that's $5,774 for Saturday and Sunday. In Great British Pounds, that's £4,495. And if you're in Europe, that's €4,932. Leave a comment below the videos and we'll send you details of how you can get access to this. We're going to send you the link to this page, okay? And on that page, there's a video you can watch, but you put your name and your email address, and then you're going to get all the information in an email of how you can get started with earning Ethereum daily. You have an amazing day, and I love Monday mornings. Don't you? I'll speak to you soon. Leave us that comment. Bye now.